Magandang araw po sa ating lahat.
As the 12
SERP na
comes to an end, I would like to thank everyone who made this important event possible on behalf of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. First, I thank our important partners from the Philippine Institute for Development Studies, especially the SERP team, for their ongoing work to improve resource dissemination and evidence-based policymaking in the country. I also want to thank Bukidnon State University, our host institution, for its help and support in making this event a success. I thank the distinguished speakers, researchers, policymakers, and participants who shared their thoughts and took part in thoughtful discussions during the forum and the roundtable dialogue. Your work has helped our community understand better how important indigenous peoples are to building a nation, especially their leadership, knowledge system, and dedication to peace and sustainability. The talks today really drove home the point that inclusive development can only happen when a wide range of voices are heard, respected, and included in policy and practice. Congratulations to the organizing teams, technical staff, and everyone else who worked behind the scenes, from designing the program to handling logistics and live stream support. Your hard work has made this forum a useful place to share knowledge and experiences. We at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines strongly believe that research should go beyond what is written in journals and reports. It should help people make choices, motivate communities, and support the country's growth. This forum demonstrates commitment and aligns with PUP's goal, one that promotes knowledge, innovation, and inclusive development through strong partnerships with communities, researchers, and institutions. As we end today's program, I hope that the ideas shared here will continue to inspire people to act. Let's take what we've learned from this forum and turn it into useful policies, impactful research, and community-focused projects that will help not only our organizations, but also the people we serve. Maraming salamat po. Muli, magandang araw at mabuhay po tayong lahat.